Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Wix. So first, you may want to head over to editor.wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, from your editor page, in the left panel, click on the Add button. Then next, click on Menu and Anchor. Now from here, under In-Page Navigation, click on Anchor. Then drag and drop this to your website. You can give this anchor a name. You can drag this anchor wherever you want on your page. So say for example, we want to place it here or in here. Next is select or choose an element in which we will be redirected to this anchor. So say for example, we want this button to redirect us or the users to this specific anchor. And to do that, click on the element. Then next is click on this chain or link button. Next, we're just going to pick section or anchor. So choose which page. Of course, we're going to pick this specific page in which we place the anchor and we're on the page. Now from here, we're just going to pick the anchor we created. Then once done, head over and click on Done. Now every time you click on this button, you will be redirected to this anchor. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!